Sewing machine practice exercise mounting of needle. This unit familiarizes you with the installation of needle before working and to change the needle as a part of basic troubleshooting. By the end of this unit, a student will be able to describe the installation of a needle before working, describe the procedure to change needle as a part of basic troubleshooting. Sewing practice exercise mounting of needle or fixing of needle. This is the needle have a various parts: needle point, needle eye. Above of needle eye there is a one smooth area which is called scarf. Just back side of this scarf it is called long groove. When we are going to fix this needle, the scarf position should be 3 o'clock side. If the scarf position is not 3 o'clock side, then there must be problem. Needle will not make loops because scarf helps you to make loops with the help of needle thread and with bobbin thread. Next step, insert your needle in needle bar. Be sure that the machine should be in that condition. Power switch should be switch off and scarf should be right hand side or 3 o'clock side. The needle should be insert totally and tight it with the help of a screwdriver. You have come to the end of this unit. To summarize, in this unit you have learned how to install a needle before working and to change a needle as a part of basic troubleshooting. Thank you.